Alright guys, remember the 2006 Rheem corsaire unit? Well, you know what, it actually got replaced. This is a new Rheem right here. I'm glad I got the Goodman starting up. I'm actually going to ask her if she can get a starter for me. I don't know what. She told me when they replaced the Rheem corsaire, they told me they got a freon leak or something. I'm not entirely sure. Must have so many problems on it. Hasn't been running? No, it has not. This is a 2.5 ton from 2018. This is a 14 Seer unit. Very nice. Very nice unit. This is a Copeland scroll. Emerson. Goodman's blowing out cold air in the cold weather. It's a Nordine with the Bristol reciprocating. I'm not sure if I can get a startup out of it, but I doubt it. If it only short cycles though. I don't know why is it covered with those plants anyways.
Yeah, como tú vienes por allá afuera, ella ladra. Y sabe que tú vienes ahí.
New thermostat. New air handler. Rheem. Oh, this is a nice install. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna close this. Alright, that's right. Close it. Here's the thermostat. I'm gonna go get a startup out of it. Just alright. Okay, let's go. Turn that one on. See how it sounds like. Oh boy. Alright, here we go. This first startup of the Rheem from 2018. Here we go. It actually has the best startup I've ever heard. Wow. So the lines go through here. This is a very nice unit. Yeah, I like this unit. 14 Seer Rheems are kind of great units. You know what? I actually think Rheem units are pretty good, to be honest. I've checked these units before one time, but yep. Yeah, that's nice. There's a Rheem right here. I like this unit too, to be honest. The 2010 2-ton. That's very surprising. R410A. Ese tenía un buen sonido.
¿Cuál?
Ese.
Sí.
Yep. Sounded really nice. The startup. Alright, that's in 2012. That's actually really cramped. That's a 2-ton. I bet these are all 2-ton units. This is a 2005 Nordine with a Bristol reciprocating. This one has, I think this one has been running. Alright, let's see. This one's from 2014. It's a 1.5 ton. This Goodman right here just turned on. I actually got. It actually sounds like my friend's neighbor's GMC unit. You know the one next to the 2010 Rheem? That actually sounds like the same thing. But this Rheem had a way better starter than that one, I'm telling you. Alright, there's the energy guide back here. 14 Seer. Alright, let's go shut this one down. It's actually cold out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Okay, hold on. There we go. Oh, alright. If only I had a better flashlight though. This Nordine's the upstairs for the neighbor's unit. It's got a really... Nah, estoy bien con eso. This one has good bearings on this unit. They will take care of this really much often. Goodman scroll. Again, this has a US motor. So, ¿qué pasaba con el otro algo con el otro? ¿Qué pasaba con el otro?
Estaba teniendo muchos problemas, se le iba el gas.
¿Salió el qué?
El gas.
Wow. It had a freon leak.
Más de 10 años.
Oh, yeah. No, tenía como si fuera 13 porque fue 2006 y 2000. So yeah, the 2006 Rheem Corsair is gone. And the Goodman just shut off, like 2. Oh. Yeah. So yeah, that was the first startup and shutdown of the brand new Rheem from 2018. I'm glad I got the Rheem Corsair one last time. Yeah, pretty much this Nordine is not really pretty much a good install. But they actually did a really good job on this unit really much. It's a nice install right here. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.